In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix installation failed when downloading Roblox. So the first thing you need to do is go over to Finder and search Roblox in the search bar up at the top. Then once you find the app, double click on it and go to Show Package Contents. Click on Contents, click on macOS, and then click on Roblox Player. So once that's finished loading, you'll be greeted with this screen here. Now all we need to do is sign in. Now we've logged in, we can select whichever experience we want and play it. But obviously if this does not work, what you can do is go back into installations and select anything to do with Roblox and move it to the bin. Now go into the bin and you want to empty the bin. Now we'll go to Chrome and we'll look up Roblox. We'll log in. Now once we've logged in, we press I agree, click on any experience you'd like and press play. Now press download Roblox. So now it's going to download. Just follow the instructions on the screen and you should be able to play Roblox. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe.